Pawns.app Academy. In this video, we're guiding you through sharing your referral link and referral videos on WhatsApp. Whether it's a friend or group chat, WhatsApp makes connecting easy. Let's chat about the best strategies. Send to a friend or group chat. Number 1, open WhatsApp and tap the text icon in the top right corner of the screen. Number 2, select a friend you want to share your referral link with and open their chat. Number 3, paste your referral link and tap the send icon once you're ready. Number 4, if you want to send a referral video, tap the plus icon, then select photo and video library. Number 5, find your referral video, select it, and tap done. Number 6, tap the send icon once you're ready. Remember, if you're sharing a referral link, you should explain what Pawns.app is, how it works, and why it's worth joining. Don't forget to mention the $1 starting bonus for everyone who signs up through your link. If you use referral videos, we do all the work for you. The video explains everything and shows a code that people can use when signing up. All you need to do is share it.